Good evening. Myself Tayyaba, Sheikh Tayyaba. I'm from the city of Nizam, the city of Kohinoor, that is Hyderabad. That's it. She gives the chance to every student, every participation, and she asks the each and everything that direct speech, indirect speech, or some opposites, singular, plural, like basic things she will ask to each and every student, and she will appreciate to every student. If someone is trying, that at that time also she is appreciate to that person, and she develop our subconscious mind. She tell us to you can say this answer, you know this answer, but you are not trying. Just think and tell. If someone is not able to say at that time, so she will give some minutes to think, and she will go with another student, and after a few minutes she will ask the question from the same person. So that is main thing which we are, because of that things we are developing, because ma'am will ask to us anyhow, she will ask and we have to give the answer. We know now, so we will try. This thing is coming in our mind now, so that is developing a lot. Yes, earlier before a few days ago, I have joined in another school. At that time, I went to the interview. So when I have entered in that school, so they asked me some questions, just general questions. So I gave that answer in English. So actually, I went for the language. So, but they are insisting me to take English for the students, and they are giving me 4th, 5th, 6th class.
Wow, I am genuinely so happy for you.
And they are taken demo also. I have given parts of speech demo, but I told them English teacher should be so attentive, and grammatically she will be clear with everything, every doubt she have to clear with the students. So, and I can't do that because if I'm not perfect, so how could I make them perfect, right? So I don't know, I'm perfect in my language, so I will go with that. Thank you for this opportunity, and they have taken my interview in English. So after our household chores, we are so tired and we are going to our bed. So they are not having time to join this NIA, but
yes.
They are telling they will join, inshallah.
Yes. We would love to have all of them on board with us.